Here we are at the show, the big show. This is the last one of the year. My God, I don't know where summer went, but it sure went by. There's Monarch. You know that fella?
No, I don't know him.
Yeah, you'll have to get on YouTube on the Riverside Farm Boys. And you'll see him. See all the cars too. I video all the cars. We're just gonna sit and watch a few. God, there's a meteor coming. Hey, Romy. Hey, buddy. Oh, man. Good to see you. How's that meteor working? You're darn right. Leave it, is he? He gave her a straight since he was here last couple weeks ago. Fender's too long. Well, it don't take much to get a little fender scrape like that. all sorted out and get them in there. Oldsmobile. Sharp color. Well, we're back again. We must have take some of these when they're going by. We'll get this little fella here on YouTube, eh? You'd like to see yourself on television? Yeah. Big crowd tonight, eh?
Oh, wicked, eh?
Yeah.
We were coming.
Yeah, I guess. They said they were here since 2 o'clock.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. It's a long time.
Yeah. Hey, Sheila?
Here's that little car you want, eh? The guys over there at the
Look at everybody standing on the street there wondering what's going on. Gee, God. By the time they get them parked, they'd be better off if they had just let everybody come in and park as they come.
The door is open there. Where? On the other side.
Hi, Betty Ann.
Yeah, just hang on a second now.
get them from all over. There are lots from New Brunswick and Nova Scotia here tonight.
Feeling the overflow over there and here.
Hey, Brendan, how you doing, bye? And look at the roamer sitting down there praying. Holy God. He's praying that he don't get run over.
That rolling the first time tomorrow. Get your numbers. Here, get some bags for you. Yeah. Bring it in.
We went up the wrong road and they just waited to send, so. I was hoping to get a little bring chill out.
Get one.
No, I never got into it.
Six Chevy.
With the original.
Yeah, old Reggie Whittaker had one of them. Bought it brand new, and by God, he drove it. Must have drove it 20 years. Yeah.
You got room for him? Well, you want to go finish over there first.
I think. I think. You notice I said I think, because I'm not sure. If it is, it's pretty rare. Lots of 66s around. Okay, Rome, let's go. All right, Romy, we're here. Look at that pretty dash now. I'll try and shine the shade on that. That's a pretty dash. I like it. I like these 56 Fords. I'm glad I got a couple. But I don't know what I'm gonna do with them. Hello there. How are you? That's the place to park.
Yeah. Get out here.
Yes, fill every spot there is. It won't be all over the country. Romer, you just rang down here for a minute.
Nope, I don't have a pen.
Somebody else might have a pen.
Maybe this gentleman will have a pen.
Do you have a pen? A writing pen?
No, I got a marker.
Marker's perfect.
Well, now,
Better.
maybe I spoke too soon.
Okay, it's all right.
I had it tucked right in there, and I opened that seat 3 or 4 times, and I fell like,
Put this one up.
No, that's not.
God damn. I lost my mark. Jeez. Come on, Roy, look at this guy. Oh.
You gonna come up with me?
What?
Are you coming up here?
Sure. I just want to get.
No, that's private parking there. All private parking. If you're in the show, if you don't mind. No, you leave the fire exit.
Alright, we'll go, Patty. I'll be on the guy here. Come on up.
I could give you a drink of water, buddy, if you want one.
He drives really old Pennsylvania. Country singer.
Okay.
I'm a
Sounds like.
singer.
Oh, yeah?
I'm Kevin. Nice to meet you. George Pearson. Wow.
Piercy.
You're a singer, aren't you?
No.
Okay.
Sometimes.
Well, we're going to catch some of these cars, though. Eh?
Hi, baby.
My head was short. I had 16 and a half years.
club in Orange. One of the guys in the club, and he and the father fishing. They were both too bad. They had 6 years and they done it over. So the thickness of the shirt and you lost it. And got the lost it. Very good.
Hello there.
Camera.
What?
I like your little camera.
Yeah. You ever watch this on YouTube? Oh yeah, you must. Brendan.
No, this is probably only the third car show I went with Brendan, so I don't know much about it.
Oh yeah, yeah. Well, Brendan be watching all the time, so we're on there.
Are you?
Yeah.
Oh, hi, buddy. Does he have water?
This says Romeo.
Hi, Romeo. Do you have some water, sweetie?
Yeah, he's got water.
He's beautiful color.
Yeah, he's a great fella.
Yeah.
You can't start the car up or anything. It don't
Really?
matter what it is, he's got to be in.
They're great company, though, aren't they?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah.
Where do you get a small camera like that? That's awful tiny.
That's no. When the hell did I get that? I got it in Charlottetown. What was the name of that store? I don't know. They're $800. But they're a great camera.
I bet.
They pick up your voice and everything else.
Oh, do they?
Oh yeah.
So you say that's on YouTube?
Yeah, on the Riverside Farm Boys.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we're from Long River, me and Romy.
Whereabouts is that? See, I'm originally from Halifax.
Oh, that's down handy towards Cavendish, New London way. Yeah.
So what do you do? Take videos of all the cars and all?
Yeah. Yeah, I videoed them all, put them on. Lots of fellas can't get to the show and they like to see them.
That's true, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, it's a neat little rig.
Yeah, I like them, but I get old, I can sit down and watch them.
That's right,
Yeah, you get much older, it won't be here.
yeah. Hi, Romeo. Oh, he sees another dog here.
Yeah, he don't bother with too many of them.
How old is he?
4.
Oh, is he? No, he's still a baby.
Yeah. Oh, he outlived me. Hey, Romy.
How you doing, Bill? Yeah, oh my God.
Just going around, see what's going on.
Do you have a car here as well?
Yeah, 56, green one there. There's 2 or 3 cars over. Yeah, third one over again.
What is it, though?
Ford Fairlane.
Oh, okay.
This year, it's 55. I got a 56.
Oh, okay.
I never liked the 55s much.
No.
I had them when I was a young fella. Oh, 2 or 3 engines a summer.
Oh, wow.
So I got a 56, boy, I never had a problem. Drive it for 30 years, never had a bit of problem.
I don't know if he had a problem with this or not. I have no idea.
Oh yeah, I put an engine in for him one time.
Oh, did you?
Oh yeah, he's had his fair of troubles.
Oh.
And then Gary McSwain done the body on it. Made a nice job of it. And I think Brendan done the interior. Finally.
I thought somebody did it for him.
Did he? Maybe
I think that's what he told me.
he done it for him.
Yeah.
Yeah, he had to do somebody do it.
Yeah.
After they got the car painted and everything, and Brendan got it back, it still had the old seats in it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Brendan did say the seats were in pretty rough shape.
Yeah. Could have done better material, a little jute.
Yeah. Oh, well.
Oh well,
What do you
whatever. Hey, whatever turns your crank.
That's right.
Yeah.
Hey, Joe, how are you?
Not too bad. I was just talking to your woman here. She says this is the last trip she's making with you.
Is that right?
Yeah.
See? It's a nice evening though, Gerald, for the show, thank God.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Now we're just
I
walking
thought they'd
around.
handle a lot more cars up top though, Gerald, but they're not, eh?
Street's full.
This lady I was just talking to there, cars were parked here this afternoon at 2:45, she was talking.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Some of them come in here just after 2.
You can't get in.
Holy Jesus. Oh yeah, but if you come in now, or even in an hour's time, you just drive in a park.
No, it's okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Been a good summer though, Gerald.
I don't know where it went.
Yeah.
Jeez, it just started and it's all over.
Yeah.
That's right. You're
Oh, time is no more, boys. When you get old, I mean, there's nothing to a month.
No.
I can't believe it where it goes. Can't
As you
believe
get
it.
older,
Goes
the
fast.
time goes faster.
Oh, Jesus Christ, I guess.
flies, girl.
Yeah, at the end of the week comes and I sit around, I try to sit down and think what I done this week. Did I do anything, I wonder?
The only way you can figure it out, Charlie, you got to write it down as you go.
Well, I don't have to do that because I don't do anything.
You said it, I did.
I'm surprised I can get a little bit done. That's what I'm trying to figure out all week, if I did anything. Yeah.
Charlie. Anyway, we'll go for a walk there.
Yeah, darn right.
Yeah?
Yeah, she's getting tired in there.
You gonna lug that way?
Come on, Romy. Come on over here, Romy. Little Nova.
Hey, buddy.
G'day, boy. How are you?
Well, we're just getting by here, eh? You know, see what's going on. A lot of cars here tonight, eh?
Oh, yeah.
Where's yours at?
This should be the last one, just right over here.
Oh, you get in here, did
4 or
you?
5 over.
Yeah, this is the last the car.
Yeah.
There's going to be a lot of cars here tonight.
I don't know where the hell the summer went.
Well, you're like myself. I don't know where it went.
Jesus Christ.
Huh?
The end of the week rolls around, I sit and try and think if I did anything this week. The week's gone, I don't know if I
You
done
don't
anything.
know. Yeah, you don't know.
Yeah.
Well, anyway,
You're like me, you're getting old and you don't feel like even washing your car anymore.
well, I didn't wash it. It was sitting out in the sand, eh?
I only wash
I'm
mine
gonna-
once a year. That's it.
I'm going to I got to go to a show tomorrow in Charlottetown at Dale Cook's putting on there, Capilotto. And I'm going to run in the morning and get it shining wax, eh?
Oh yeah. Run through the car wash.
Yeah, run it
Yeah.
through the car wash with the wax to her.
Oh yeah, that'd do.
I didn't bother today. I knew I wasn't going to get on the phone.
I don't bother with
The
mine.
young fella started to clean it up last night, and he didn't finish the job. He started,
Yeah.
and he was going to do it. He going to do it this morning, and then he went out to the plant. But there's dust on it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So
Oh yeah. Sugar's car wash will clean her up a little.
I'll put it in the car wash.
That's that. Them car washers are only made for people in the city driving around.
Yeah, right.
Just a little dust off the pavement through the week, then they run in and get that wiped off. But as far as you going down, just go down a dirt road, even if it's dry, the dust coming behind you,
Yeah.
it won't take that off.
No. No.
No, not worth a goddamn for that. They're just for the city people.
I just got it. We have a small little pressure washer there, 17 or 1800,
Yeah,
and it don't lift your paint or anything like that.
yeah.
And if you just go to give her a wash, that's all she needs.
Oh yeah, yeah. That'll knock the dust off her.
It'll knock the dust off her.
That's all you need, boy. Well, you'll see her on YouTube. Anyway,
Huh?
you'll see her on YouTube.
She'll be on YouTube, will she?
Yeah. You ever watch them?
Yeah. I watch it now. and
We're
again.
on the Riverside Farm Boys.
Huh?
Riverside Farm Boys.
Riverside Fair Boys. Yeah, good idea. Yeah.
Yeah, it's summer's gone.
Yeah. Was the streets are full up there, are they?
Oh yeah.
Right.
Yeah, I never got up yet, but I'm going.
Well, no, I'm heading there.
We got a lot of cars over here. There's gonna be a lot of them left over here too.
Not even going to get up.
No. Oh no. No place to put them.
No place to put them. No place to put them.
There's not usually that many come, but
No, but last week, but 2 weeks ago, there was a lot of cars here.
yeah,
But this past week, no, there wasn't many here.
yeah. I didn't get here last week
Huh?
either. I never got here last week
Yeah, I
either.
was here last week. I think he was going to buy her. He's looking her over pretty well.
Yeah. Oh, they like to get out and look around.
Yeah. There's your daughter. Hello. Hello. Hello.
How are you, buddy?
Hey.
How's
How are
things?
ya?
Pretty good?
Pretty good, yeah.
Great,
You?
great. Great. Oh yeah, I don't know. Still here.
Still here?
No fun getting old.
Okay, we'll be there in a minute. Wait there.
Your wheel cover is getting loose.
Is it?
Yeah. You know them rubbers that's on the rear end of your car?
Yeah.
They come up and they're rounded on the top. That's what I put in there.
Is there? Where?
I just set it in here and hit it with the hammer, and you know it's on nice.
Oh yeah, that is
Yeah.
loose, isn't it?
Yeah.
Will that come off on me tonight?
No, not going out home at once.
I don't think. Oh, here it's going off anyway. Oh,
It may go
right, you. Oh.
on the way to Charlottetown tomorrow, though.
What?
On the way to Charlottetown tomorrow, it might.
No, I'm gonna have it up. I'm gonna have it on tonight.
Trans Am, eh? Couldn't give me one of them. But now a Mustang, now I'll tell you, I wouldn't mind one of them. A nice little Mustang, look at that. Hey, Romy. It's from New Brunswick. There'll be a lot of fellas here from New Brunswick tonight. Okay. Yeah. Nice little car. Nice little car. I had this on before. Edward. He keeps her clean. And he keeps her good. Great to have the time to keep cleaning her. That's all I know. What we got here? 40 Ford.
You don't need that one too, Gerald.
Hal Curley.
Huh?
Yes, you're darn right I have enough.
Did you get that one you went for? The
Yeah,
Monarch?
Jesus, yes. Christ almighty, folks would have his head taken right off. And crazy as that. I'd like to get rid of two. If I could sell two, it wouldn't matter which two.
Well, if you're giving them away, you're in the right place. If not, well, I can't help you.
Well,
Oh yes, you can, Kirk.
Oh, no, I can't.
You're not going to buy Leonce's old truck there?
Who's?
Leonce from Wellington.
Oh,
There's
the
that
old
old truck
I would if
tonight.
I could afford it.
She says only 8,600 miles on it.
Yeah.
Original tires.
that's nice old truck.
Yeah.
That's got to be your Monarch next to it.
I don't
White
think.
one, is it?
I don't think there's a
What?
catalytic
Is
converter on
that yours? Is
that.
that a Monarch?
No, that's from Ford.
That's just a Ford. Where's your Monarch?
It's 46, the Monarch.
Okay, where's she at?
Home.
Oh, you didn't bring her.
Can only drive one.
Well, what have you got tonight?
That's why I got 56 there.
Oh, okay.
Hey. Yeah, that's great. The way it goes, eh?
Yeah.
Well, Jesus. You couldn't sell nothing in Prince Edward Island.
No. You
Christ,
give-
no.
You hired a job giving away.
Well, you can't compete with them folks in Nova Scotia and that. They got lovely cars. Jesus Christ, they got nice cars like Edwards there.
Yeah.
You know, and you can buy it for $12,000-$15,000. Jesus Christ, I bet you ask Edward what he wants for that.
Oh, yeah.
He wants 35,
Oh, yeah.
at least.
Yeah.
So you
And-
couldn't sell nothing
And if the
there.
right person knew that he had it for sale, if he was wanting that, they give it to him. But I won't go. I'm not going to go in the hole that far to get something I don't really need.
No, no.
Anyway, we got to keep on moving.
Yeah,
then.
yeah, all right.
We never even got registered yet.
We'll see you.
Yeah.
He's got her. He's got her.
Do, 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 do.
33.
Barracuda.
No, 340. 349. That's your car there?
Oh, Nylon car. All the way from PEI, that's car.
All the
Huh?
way. All the way.
Well, it's good to see
There,
it.
buddy. Hey.
Was it here? Here a few times this summer, was it?
Oh yeah.
I think it's the first time I've seen it coming in there today.
Been here every night but the rainy night
Yeah,
and one other night. 2 nights.
right. Yeah, that's good. That's a nice car. Yeah, well, we got one Dodge home, a 67 Coronet convertible.
Oh, very nice.
Yeah, I'm a Ford man. I 56 over there.
Okay.
I got a 46 Monarch,
Uh-huh.
56 Meteor,
Oh, you get all kinds of.
54 Meteor convertible.
Holy cow.
Nice car. 54 Ford convertible.
What do you do? Take eeny, meeny, miny, mo every day before you go
Well,
for a drive?
yeah, that's the first time I had that in here this year.
Okay.
You gotta get it for a drive once in a while.
Yeah.
Oh, me and Romy go for a drive. See us on, watch us on YouTube, Riverside Farm Boys. Get us on, there's something to watch. You'll see Romy. I take him for a drive in the mall. Thanks, boys. Oh, he's not very hungry.
Not now.
You got Cordova. Look at that, Romy.
Excuse me?
Better have a look at this Cordova. There's not many of them around. Oh, she's an Islander. Anyway, Romy. I don't know who owns her. Leonard Russell. I don't know. How's it going, bud? Pretty good?
Good.
You waiting for the sun to go down to go for a walk, or?
No, I'm waiting to get out of here and go home.
Oh, you picked in a bad spot.
This is my third time here. I never made it to Main Street yet.
Really?
Yeah.
They said that they start around 4:15 today.
Yeah.
You had to be here.
Yeah.
Well,
Yeah.
I don't like going to Main Street because I like going home about 8:30 or so.
Yeah.
I got a work truck now, 4-wheel drive, so not much at stake for now. Yeah, you're right. Have a good one.
I see there's a brown dog.
You want to say hello to this little fella? Look. Want to say hello to him, Romy? Say hello.
Oh, that's so nice. Thank you.
You have to get on YouTube on Riverside Farm Boys. And you'll see him. Lots of them.
Oh, so nice.
He goes for a drive in all the cars.
Oh, he has a good life.
Yeah. I watch your videos on YouTube. Good. Where are you from? Long River? Long River, yeah.
You know David McHugh,
Oh, yes. Jeez.
Robert did.
Poor old Dave. I was going to go up and see him last week.
It's not so good again.
He's awful hard of hearing.
Yeah.
You know, you got to pretty near yell at him. And he's stubborn. He won't buy himself a hearing aid.
No.
Who is it that you're talking about?
David McHugh.
Yeah, poor fella. He's getting down in health, is he, a little?
Yeah, he's you don't see him around too much. He's also his son's shop.
No,
down there.
I don't think he goes anymore.
Yeah.
No, don't think it, is he?
Well, the young fella bought a new house, a different house.
Oh,
With
yeah.
a big shop there, so.
Yeah, I know, but I don't think Dave was out the shop.
Anymore. I used to go to the other place when it was there.
Yeah.
We live in the Harper Road, not far from North Hammer Road.
Right, yeah. Well, let's go down and look at some of these cars, Romy.
We'll be watching for the video.
Yeah,
Check it out when we get home.
people like to see their cars.
Yeah.
Oh, see you, dear.
Have a good weekend.
Yeah.
Bye, Romy.
That old DeSoto made it to Summerside.
Yeah,
What?
afraid so.
God almighty, I'll tell you. That's
Just-
that's pretty good.
Just never sure.
Oh, it'll take you a long piece yet.
I hope so.
I'll get her on YouTube for you.
There you go.
You watch us on YouTube?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good.
Me and Romy. Oh, it's kind of nice. Didn't see that Daryl Ramsey tonight, did you?
Just once. I did.
Did you?
Yeah, he's here somewhere.
Good. It's a nice dash. Nice seats in there. The car's in pretty darn good shape. Yes, sir. Look at that. The old flathead Dodge.
Nice dog.
Nice dog.
Look at this Charger, Romy. Holy Jesus, look at that. Look at the Hemi in that thing. Fitting her as big as my Y block on my 56 Ford. Yeah, she's an Islander. Great. Hi there. How are you?
Sorry.
The big Hemi. Oh, we got here. Oh, it's not bad. Jesus Christ, look at the shifter in it. Electric shifter. 9-inch Ford in it. Well, it takes. Gotta have Ford parts in them cars or they won't run very good. Oh, sorry. Oh, no problem. Some others will get in now. Haha. Passenger. Shelby. GT 500. Holy Jesus Christ. Not much room left for anything, is it?
No,
You couldn't even get a six-pack in there.
there's none of it up there. It was just it's like 3,000 kilometers in 07.
Yeah.
It's just a red one.
Yeah.
The Asian shape.
Yeah. I'll have a look at it after. Another Charger. Look at that. That's kind of nice. That's a nice Charger. Hey, Romy? How you like that one there? Nice little seats in it. Oh, yeah, boy. On the air. Looks a little buckled in the roof, but I don't know. New Brunswick car.
Driving the 6 hours for you.
Don't pull on that.
should have been reversed. You should go and say, "Ben, how's the driver here?" You can tell them. Yeah. All the time. I don't know. Every time all the time. Yeah. I drive the bus.
Oh my God, you do not.
Yeah. See you later.
Yeah.
I know.
Round and round and over there. Let's take a look at that. This,
Well, I don't know. When you go this way, I guess because it's shady.
I know. Come on, you seen them.
I thought about bringing those, but I thought we'd be on the road.
Okay, come on.
But it was all good at the time.
Sure. I don't know. See, XR7. XR7. Pretty good there. What's the seats at it? Chrysler?
No, they're its original seats.
Are they?
Yeah.
These are a nice set of seats.
Oh, I love them, I'll tell you.
Yeah.
That's why it's a shame we went with the race themes. Well, why don't you put some race seats in it? I can't bring myself to take those out.
Oh no, them are nice. Them are nice. Yeah. You watch this on YouTube, do you?
Yep. Yes, sir. Yeah.
Romeo. Yeah. Oh, it's good there. Nice little car.
See the other dog. Yeah, who's that?
Oh, nice.
Okay. Oh, yeah. And you too?
You don't have tons there? All right, Ron. Come on, Ron.
I think he is.
Oh, that's quite right. You can just carry a tarpaulin with you and throw it on the top when it rains. See, Clarence Foster built that. Yes, sir. don't smoke. No, not Clarence's. There's Clarence, somebody done one like it. Like this. Kurt. Yes, sir. Nice hood now. That's a nice paint job. It's a nice paint job.
It's funny because
Wonder if Kurt done that himself.
flies on tractor. Basically that much power.
Well, they have races with those, don't they?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, on
Well, like
tractor races.
mine. It's not that.
It's enough to get through. To get through the grass.
Yes, sir. Reggie bought one of them. Let's see what that one, I think. Diesel in there. Yeah, I think this is Doug's hair. Yeah, that's Doug's car. Nice car. Keeps it shined up. Boy. I don't know where he gets the time to do it. Well, he's got enough cash. I guess he could